In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. I'm going to provide you with two different methods to see your Gmail password. So make sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your phone, navigate to your settings jar and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate Google and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on manage your Google account. So this will drop you onto an interface like this where you see a bunch of menus on the top. Swipe left until you locate security and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate password manager. Then proceed to tap on it. So this is going to pull out all the password that has been saved in your Google app. Then make sure to select the one that has the name google.com. Proceed to tap on it. So make sure to enter your phone PIN. This is for safety and security measures. Then proceed to tap on next. So this has pulled out the list of all the Google account that I'm having. So in the event you want to view the password of any of them, you can proceed to tap on the eye icon beside this. With the second method, navigate to your browser. In this case, I'm using the Chrome browser. In the address bar, type google.com and hit enter. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. So this will drop you onto an interface like this. Proceed to tap on manage your Google account. Among the bunch of menus on the top, swipe left until you locate security and tap on it. Then continue to scroll down until you locate password manager and tap on it. Then you have the option to scroll down and locate google.com and tap on it, and continue to tap on continue. Of course, you have to provide your phone PIN. This is a double layer of security. After that, proceed to tap on done. Allow it a bit of moment to configure, and there you have the list of your Gmail account email address and its password. So in the event you want to see the password, all you have to do is to locate the eye icon and tap on it. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.